Hello friends, my name is Shivam from DevOps Schools and I will help you to enable your learning process in various technologies of DevOps, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data and many more. This is our initiative to help you by sharing multiple tutorials and videos. And if you want any specific tutorials or any particular topic, then please do comment in the below comment section and I will help you with it. Also, please subscribe to our premium services on YouTube, which will give you access to more content and videos to enhance your knowledge about all these topics. Also, if you want me to help you with regards to the online trainings and classroom sessions by our qualified trainers, then please do write me at contact@devopsschool.com. Thank you.
Main thing is what you should understand how to do. That is because see, you will not get the same case in your next coming project. Don't think that. But the basic will be the same thing.
Yeah.
Okay. So only as you know, experience holder, you should know how to design the solution for the problem.
Yes.
Any kind of problem will occur. Don't think what am I problem I am explaining you here. Same kind of problem you will face each and every project. No, because maybe sometime they are going to change the service method also Azure. Correct? Correct, Arun? Maybe right now you are seeing so only 5 services available in Azure DevOps. They will include one more, or maybe they may remove one of the services. They may enhance. They will. After sometimes you will see that okay, you can see the Azure Kubernetes services also. They have automatically. No, in build it is already integrated. Maybe they can do. And it will show you an Azure DevOps setup itself. They are working on that, and after almost 6 to 8 months, you will see. They are trying to AKS and Docker. You all will able to see in pipeline itself.
Okay.
You need to integrate, separately.
Okay.
In build service itself. Okay, so right now.
Yesterday I have a doubt. Actually, I was asking. Okay, go ahead, finish. Then I'll start. I'll ask it.
Yeah. So let me finish Avilas, then I will go to your.
Mine is pending only.
You are also pending, and Arun. You both are friend, right? One person is saying pending, another person is also going to say pending. Okay, show me the interview questions. How many you have done? Because I'm sure Arun have completed.
No.
Correct, Arun?
Yesterday I didn't do that. That one I didn't do actually.
Only yesterday, and rest I have already verified you, right?
Yeah. Till before that, everything I completed. Only yesterday part I didn't do that.
Okay. No issues.
Yeah, pending in between because these all things.
There's so many things are pending. Abhilash, for you, there's so many things are pending. Okay, Arun, try to complete today or tomorrow your interview questions and send me back.
Interview questions, I'll give it on Friday. Can you please? Because I need some time. Because tomorrow.
Yeah. Today means what? Thursday and Friday. Okay, Friday.
Friday I'll give it. Okay.
Okay, and I will this Saturday, Sunday I will verify all, and also on Friday send me till now what maybe the labs are for Azure DevOps. Okay, those labs, and I will verify and I will hand over on Monday.
Okay.
Okay, and after Monday, after Monday I will ask Bittu to send you all the sample paper force exam. That is AZ 900, AZ 104, and AZ 400. Correct? You guys are also going to prepare for exam also, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, and all the exams are only 4 and 5. How to give the exam, I will tell you today itself. Now to book the slots and all, how to change. Okay. So Vilas, how many are pending? Are you able to complete till Friday?
Monday.
See, Monday you have to give because I'm going to wind up. Okay.
Okay.
What happened? Okay, this is fine. Fine. So how many are pending?
So
Most of the only 2 hours, if you will sit, then it will come. I can see that most of the things are already completed.
yeah,
Okay, if you will sit only 2 hours, it is more than enough. Correct, Arun?
Yeah.
And I have sent you the Arun document also.
no, I have not received that document.
That interview questions I have sent you, no?
Questions only, right?
Yeah.
Okay. That I received.
Arun, whatever maybe till now you have prepared, just send me back right now itself, so that I will send Avilas.
Interview
So he
questions,
will
huh?
also approve. Yeah, interview questions and answer that
Yeah.
your Word document you have prepared, right?
Yeah.
And Friday, this is my request to Arun. Please send me both the document, so that in Saturday, Sunday weekdays, I used to view the lab document or interview questions for
Okay.
each and every batch.
This
So
one
that
I asked, that VNet configuration I asked.
that I will give you. Don't worry, I will give you.
Okay.
I'm not getting that much time to prepare the document. Okay, I will give you, and I will prepare. I will send back. I will send you sure. Okay. So please, Avilas, try to complete this. Okay.
Sure.
And lab, how many labs you have completed? So AZ and Avilas, send me AZ 900 and AZ 104 lab.
Yeah.
And AZ 400, how many labs are pending?
I completed till 50.
Okay, only yesterday and are pending, right?
In between, some is missing because I don't have that question.
Which one are missing? Which one are missing?
Around 20 plus
Define
lab
the
is missing. I don't have that code because I didn't attend that. I'm waiting for the recorded session.
interview lab. I have already sent you, na? Interview lab question. Hello.
Yeah, I need to check that. I didn't see that. So this thing and what
Okay,
the lab,
Arun.
what are the things you
Okay.
done, because I'm not able to, it's not working for me, so how I can complete this.
Okay, I will send you the document. Okay, stepwise. Fine.
Yeah.
At least you should attach. Arun, please send me both the things. Okay, I will send you Friday evening. I will get from Arun, then I will send you.
Which one you want?
Fine.
Interview questions you want now?
Now interview questions, so that I will send to
That
Avilas.
with answer you want or without answer?
Answer with answer.
Okay, I sent it. I sent actually.
Meanwhile, okay, so that I will also no, I haven't received.
No, I sent just now.
You have sent AZ 400 labs, not interview questions.
No, just now I sent.
No. Okay, yes, now got it. Yeah, got it. Thanks. So I will send you. Okay, Vilas. Please go through, read out, and try to complete the interview questions till Friday.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just I'm going. Arun, now I'm going to make you as a presenter. Yeah. Where you are, Arun?
Yeah, 1 minute. See, only this one I completed. Then after that I not
Increase the
able to do
font
that.
size.
Only the one question I completed actually. 54 lab access. So I completed 54. 55 I'm doing because it took time because I need some at least 1 hour time something. So I am not able to
Yesterday.
think. I took the
Yesterday.
snap.
Okay, no issues. I have seen yesterday how much you are, no issues. And open the Notepad++ lab document. Yesterday we had enough discussion about how to integrate Azure DevOps with Jenkins, right?
Yeah.
Just open the, I want to give you one, although this is not part of your Azure DevOps syllabus, but let it be lab number 57. Okay. Install Jenkins in your system. You also write down, Avilas. This is open source, you can install. Lab number 58.
57, no?
Oh, 50, after 57 you need to write 58, right?
Oh, okay.
Install, not install, integrate Jenkins with Azure DevOps. So how to integrate? I will, Aaron, I'm just giving you. You just try it. If you are not able to do, then I will tell you. First,
Yeah.
whenever you will install the Jenkins, then whenever you will click on manage pipelines, okay, there in the manage, whenever you are going to click, you will search the Azure DevOps or Azure pipeline. It will show you. Like in marketplace, you are in Git, you are able to see, right? Services, plugins. The same way, just click and that's all. It will integrate it.
Okay. Now, one more thing. This one, see, in the Azure pipeline, if you want a parallel thing for the private repository, like private, not a public one, private pipeline. So we have to purchase you said no, because if you each and every running job, it will be charged, or like my code is committed, so immediately job pipeline will be triggered when the whenever commit happens. So whether it will be charged immediately, or so in n number of times I can do the run it or not.
You can do say there are how much, suppose 2 GB, suppose 1 GB is your build size.
Okay.
Okay.
No, I'm not asking about that one.
Space.
Space, leave that one. For running the pipeline, I'm saying. See, there
No,
is
no,
public and private.
So public and private, if you are going to create the project in public, or if you are going to create the private, that in that moment itself everything will be decided.
Okay.
You are creating project, right?
No, what I'm asking is, okay, yeah, I opted for parallel running for 5 jobs. Okay, parallel execution for the 5 jobs, like if 5 project can execute. Okay, so in my scenario, like whether see, if I want project one is developer is commit is happening daily 5 times is committing, so he'll run the job, pipeline will be running. So in that case, that 5 times will be charged, or I'm asking whenever you're running the pipeline.
No, they will not charge for how many pipelines you have. Maybe you will run 5 times or 10 times, right? They are only going to charge you, your service is on. Okay, they will charge. See, like, let me give you a simple example. You have taken one virtual machine on rent, 6 rupees per hour, or 200 rupees. 6 rupees per hour INR, one virtual machine. So in the virtual machine, whatever operation you are going to do, it doesn't matter. Getting my point? Some configuration. But if you are going to use 1 hour, they will charge you 6 rupees. But in Azure DevOps, there is a difference. You have what in repository or any space, there are some limitations. In what? Space limitations. See, you are creating the so many pipeline, right? It means your build must have some, must acquire some space, right, into the cloud.
Yes,
correct. So suppose if suppose although it is suppose it is 1 GB, but 1 GB code will not be available. I'm just going to give you the example. So 1 GB if you are going to do almost 10 times, then 10 GB you have used, right? If some of the pipelines are failure, then please try to delete immediately, so that you will save the cost. Suppose 10 times you are running the pipeline, 8 times it got failed, 2 times it got passed, so you can delete 7 times. One failure you can, for showcasing purpose, you can just take the report and then you can delete it. But that limit you can set, either you need to up to last 15 days is to last 15 days history you want, 20 days, 30 days. It depends on the project. And after that, after or maximum you are going to maximum, we are, you know, in real world, we are, you know, taking the track maximum 30 days. Worst case 60 days, that's all. Why? Because maximum a sprint line timeline is what? 1 month. Try to understand, this is related with a sprint. So maximum one length. So one 60 days is what? 2 months sprint. Okay, 2 sprint. Last sprint backup you should have. That's all. And that report in the mail, we have the report, right? How many, you know? So that's the reason we used to delete it. They will charge you according to the space. How many times you have, you know, created the pipeline, they will not charge you.
Okay.
1
So
MB,
you
one.
meant to say, like, if I keeping for 10 days, in that 5 days failure means I have to delete that one, so that it will save the cost. What are the 5 times?
Yes, save the cost.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, but usually, see, why you are running pipeline again and again? Because there must be some failure. Real time. Try to think in a real time. Maybe some failure due to that reason you are running again pipeline, right? So what is the use of failure? Only one failure you can keep for tracking purpose. That was the reason it was failing, right? Rest of you can delete it. Maximum last month backup you can. Okay, and one more thing. It was very good question you have asked. Is it possible to run multiple pipeline for multiple project, right? In a single account. That was, you haven't framed. Write on this interview question. Very important question. Open the interview question. Good. I'm totally impressed with this question. Arun. Avilash, you should also ask this kind of question.
Okay.
Avilash?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, like, see, Arun did some R&D and then he comment, okay, this type of situations also may come, right? As a DevOps engineer, DevOps architect, you are going to handle 3 projects, maybe 2 project, 3 project, multiple project. Correct?
Yeah.
Correct, Arun?
Yeah.
Because you have a 14-15 years of experience. Write down. Is it possible in Azure DevOps to run multiple pipeline in a single project? Your answer should be yes, but current pipeline will be run, rest of the will be in queue. Okay.
Yes.
Next question, 205.
Yes.
Yes.
Correct.
Pipeline will be in running status and rest of the pipeline will be in queue. In the same project. This kind of question they will ask you. Good question. Is it possible to is it possible in Azure DevOps multiple pipeline in multiple project with the same subscription? With the same subscription means what? Same login. Yes, we can write project 1, project 2, project 3 we have created, right? And different project we can create the pipeline, we can run. Again, the answer is what? Yes. Here there is no queue because all the pipeline is what? In different project. Avilas, are you getting the second question?
Yes, got it.
See, project 1, project 2, project 3. You have created P1 pipeline in one project, first project, P2 in project second, and P3 in project third, you can run simultaneously. Clear?
Yes.
So these kind of question they will ask you. Okay.
Okay.
Any other query, Arun?
This one, see, now I have another because this is here in Middle East, many companies are doing like this. What they are doing, see, Dev1 as a QA environment will be in the cloud, and rest of the UAT and production will be in the on-premise. So in that case, how the Azure DevOps will be? It is possible. Is it possible? That's why I have
No,
think
sorry. Can you repeat your question? Dev
like
and
Dev1 SIT to save the cost of the infrastructure, they move to the cloud. Dev1 SIT. Remaining UAT and production will be in the on-premise. So in that case, how will be Azure? This will be
Azure DevOps will be beneficial to
beneficial.
perform the jobs.
Uh, because see,
See,
some of the
one,
companies, like for example, if you take a banking itself, they don't want in cloud. I'm just thinking a scenario. This is one of the okay. So in that case, there's because banking, anyone can hack it because they feel bank guys are feel okay. We'll have it in a data center itself, on-premise data center. They don't want it in the, so okay, to save the cost, okay, if, development and QA environment will be in the cloud. So in that case, how the Azure pipeline will work thing. So how it
see, so in that pipeline also, you are saying that some of the environment are in Azure cloud, suppose any cloud, and some of the environment are in on-premises cloud, right? That is known as the internal private cloud, correct? Then how we will implement the DevOps, correct?
yes.
That is, tell me what I understood. That is your question.
Correct.
Okay. See, so as you told me that Dev and SIT will be in cloud,
Cloud.
so you can easily use the Azure DevOps, correct? You will able to do or not?
Yes.
Then after SIT you will have some build, right?
Yes.
Correct. You will again create one app services, okay, and that app services you can discover into your on-premises cloud. On-premises cloud means what? Internal. And then that you have, suppose you have created one, basically you are asking how to integrate, basically your question is how to integrate on-premises cloud to external cloud. That was your motive, is that okay? And then only you are able to use the Azure DevOps. I'm telling you, there are 2 to 3 solutions you can adopt. First, you can create one app service, okay? That app service you will discover into the internal private cloud. Okay. How to discover that? There are so many tools are there, I told you, correct? CloudScape and all, there are so many tools, okay? And all after discovering that, you will, that app service is what, already integrated with Azure DevOps. So whatever maybe you are deploying, it will available into the internal cloud. This is one solution. Okay. Other solution is what, you will, there is a Azure DevOps is online also, dev.azure.com, it is available. But there are some of the tools, that is VSTS 2017, lower version of DevOps, Azure DevOps, that you can install in the on-premises. This is also one of the solution. Best solution is you have to just take the advice from the Azure. Okay, they will give you the some plugins to integrate, okay, with the cloud, and that will be totally separate, and that will be, they will create one private cloud on the on your whatever maybe subscription you are using. Inside that, like Azure, app you are using, they will create that particular Azure app services into the private cloud, and that private cloud you are going to access that particular app with the VPN in your internal private cloud. So that Azure support team will be guide you how to do that. And nowadays,
So because third method is the best way, like what you're saying, gateway
for
using
secure,
security, and as well as everything will be more secure and easy accessible. Even I can access my on-premises
but they will
system.
charge you now. That charge, that way,
Okay.
security cost, private cloud, again VPN, all okay. So charge you. So you have asked the solution. That's the reason I have provided you 3. Third one is a based. That is, because it's everything is secure.
Which
They
one?
will
That
also
gateway, everything, all.
yes, gateway, and they are going to store all the credential in Azure Key Vault. So no one is going to break down their VPN and all, because it's a banking and all. It's a very uh, bank. If you're using banking application, then it's very critical. You first we have to check the security things. Correct.
But
So
you are
that
saying
was
some
the
tools.
best.
What are the tools? Can you tell me that? Or just list out the tools, third-party tools. Just I want to explore and see that. See the my
Cloud Escape.
I have.
Okay, write down Cloud Escape. Those are actually TBM part. Okay, my
Okay,
cloud
okay. No, just,
migration and all that. As a DevOps engineer, you are not going to do all this stuff. First, write down Cloud Escape.
Cloudscape.
Yeah. So this is not an open source tool. These are all the vendor tool.
Okay, okay.
FTO.
Sorry.
FTO. APPTIO.
APPTIO. FTO. Okay.
Third, thousands. There are so many tools are there. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
if you will know Cloud Escape, that is more than enough. For
No.
networking discovery, network and VNet and all you want to discover into the different cloud, that is okay. 1000 space eyes. Okay, this tool is mainly used for discovering the network. Okay, and also it will measure the network performance.
Okay.
Our integration with Azure, it is very easy. Plugins are available in Azure portal.
Okay.
You need to run. Okay, already plugins are available, but for Cloud Escape integration, FTO integrations, you need to raise the request, then they will
See,
open.
one more question. Okay, suppose I'm moving to the my database. Like we have it like 8 TB terabyte database system. In AWS, they use a snowball, like rugged thing. They'll bring it and they'll take it they'll take it to the AWS data center. They'll upload it to connect to the thing easily. They'll be chargeable. But in Azure, is there anything kind of services there?
Yes, I told you, no, database migration service.
Okay, that will take care everything.
Yeah.
Okay.
Core Azure
But
services.
again that also we have to connect to our network.
Yeah, network.
Okay. And one more question.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, feel
Uh,
free to ask me. I'm here only. Don't hesitate. Okay.
okay. No, in Jenkins, currently I'm in Jenkins. Okay. All the project pipeline is there. How will you migrate to the Azure pipeline?
See, you can integrate, not migrate. Okay, migration again,
Okay.
you have to integrate your repository with the Azure DevOps and all. Same thing you are going to do. Like you are setting up a new project itself. It will
Uh,
kind of stuff.
okay. There
Okay.
is no you cannot migrate anything.
No. Directly, there is no discovery kind of things you will do. Okay.
Uh,
You need to, again, you need to create the pipelines and all this stuff. Only you are just from today, you are leaving the Jenkins tools and you are going to start the.
To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the 3D99 plan and grow your skills immensely.
Azure DevOps tools. That is what the concept.
Okay.
You can
So
integrate.
there is no plugin like marketplace for the Azure DevOps, like I can bring
plugins will use to integrate.
Okay.
But what are the operations you are doing? You cannot. You have to do. See, that is the that's the reason Azure DevOps is in the market. If everything, if you will replicate from the open source tool to Azure DevOps, then what kind of security Azure DevOps have? Correct?
Okay.
They will not allow you. You need to again start.
Okay, like fresh project kind of thing.
Fresh project.
Okay.
Maybe in future they will enhance the, maybe future they will integrate some services and all. Till now there is no shortcut methods. Okay, in future I don't know, after 6 months or 8 months they will give again one kind of training for all the MCT. MCT, right? Whenever new product used to come into the market, before launching into the market, they used to give the training to all the MCT trainers. Okay, like if they are going to enhance some services into the Azure DevOps. So before launching into the beta version, they used to give us, we all the MCT trainer is going to give the feedback about that, whether this particular services are feasible or not, whether as per the customer endpoints, how they are going to, kind of UAT we used to do. They are paying also for that. Okay. So we will get double benefit. Taking the training, first we are the person, right? Second, we are giving the some suggestions and all. If those suggestions will be valid, those bugs are valid, okay, then they will pay us also. So for MCT, you must have that.
Other tool, another one. Fourth one you are saying.
So many tools are there. I will send you the list. Okay.
Okay.
So many tools are the CloudScape, FTO, Thousands IE. And see, if you want to understand the budgeting part, okay, because I can see from your interest is mostly how to save the cost, right? That is very good. After having the 15 and 40, because integration and all, after 15 years, no one will ask you to do this. Correct? You will create one solution on the PPT, and this Jenkins should do integrate with Azure DevOps. Then that particularly you will take GitHub. You need to integrate Azure DevOps with GitHub. Like that, you will just design one solution. Correct?
Yes.
And the cost will be this much. So there is only one way. Okay, that is there is a TBM, technology business management. Okay, so technology means what? You are going to manage the infrastructure, cloud infrastructure here, not Java and all. Okay, getting my point? So here technology means your cloud infrastructure, either in AWS, either in Azure, either in GCP, either in IBM. Write down TBM, technology business management. TBB in the bracket, technology business management. Okay, and just search in front of me, search in the Google, what is the no certification cost for this. I told you, right? More than 1 lakh, and where it is available. Search right now in front of me. Open one more tab, Google. Certification cost.
Okay.
Technology businessman. And where the trainings are available. See. Go there, and what is the cost? Only write down no cost in India. Third one, FTO, technology businessman. That is not relevant. Go down. What is the cost? 1 lakh. When I have given 1,20,000 was the cost.
It's not that.
Go down. Back. Go back. In TVN Council Home. Yes. FTO is there, right? Third one. Open that. Scroll down. TVM framework. Okay. What is this? And it will cost you in India 1,20,000. Only till now. Okay. Right now 1, 2, 3, 4, 10,000 people. Get certified in TVM. Find a class. Click that. And they will give you the price and all. In India only it is available in Bangalore. Courses overview. Check. Download courses overview and all. So don't give only these are, and who will give? Go back and
The price is not there. Oh yeah, here it is. Everything.
price will be there, no?
Yeah, cost of the course and certification is 1,495. 1,004. Okay.
Where it is written?
Here.
Can you highlight?
Yeah, one minute. Able to see?
Yeah. Where? Which line can you?
Able to see?
No, professional experience, referral letter, continuous. When only 4 items we are able to see.
Okay, one minute. Now?
Okay, 1,495. Okay.
Yeah.
So 1,495 convert into the INR. It will come at 1,10,000. Okay. Hello.
Yeah.
Plus 1,10,000 almost, and plus in India 18% GST. So it will cross you almost 1,30,000-40,000. When I have given, the cost was 1,20,000. Okay.
But
and
this
if
is
you
the
will
validity
fail,
period is there?
no, it's lifetime.
Oh, lifetime. Okay.
Okay, but every 6 or 7 years you need to again give the exam. And there are so many levels. This is foundation level course. Okay.
Oh.
And don't use your money. Always get the money from organization. I have also did the same thing. Who will spend money? If rare worst case, if you will fail, then okay. So
Yeah.
many, and in India only few people are TBM certified. Few only. Not, you will not get 1,000 and all. So this is the real thing, how you are going to create the framework or architecture of the infrastructure, cost effective architecture of the infrastructure. Okay. And what you are learning in AZ 104 and AZ 303 and those stuff are only okay, administrator part, giving the access, taking the access, revoke. Okay. This is the real things where you will get. Okay. Close this, all this here, and they have not opened all the documents here. That is also how to create the business case for migration, those stuff. That is the most important part now.
Yeah.
I'm giving the training. Okay. But I used to suggest, do not give the exam. You can work it. If your company is suggesting you and giving you voucher, then you can play. What is the big deal? Before that, at least 2-3 years as a solution, TBM instructor, you just work. I mean, TBM, working experience get from the any organizations. Then you will do whatever you want to do. Okay, correct, Avilas? Avilash.
Yeah, yes, Rohit.
Okay. So if you want to design the cost-effective solutions, go for TBM. Okay. So I will ask one crash course for you, Arun. That will include TBM and testing and agile, all these three. And only you need to understand how to generate the business case. Like suppose some organization have came in front of you. Okay, Arun, I need to shift my on-premises data center into the cloud, or Azure cloud to AWS cloud, or AWS cloud to Azure, or maybe sometimes they need what? Some of the services from Azure, some of the services from AWS, some of the services in GCP, correct? It may happen or not. Try to understand different scenarios.
Yeah, correct.
Okay. Then you need to build one hybrid business case, cloud specific business case, on-premises business case, how to generate, what is the format, all this stuff. I will explain you. A same thing in front of any interviewer. If you will explain, maximum people doesn't know what is TBM. Okay, so I will ask Bit2 for one, that is testing, agile, and TBM. Okay, you just connect with Bit2 and he will guide you.
Okay.
And mainly if you have a 14+ year of experience, just also, and your process of thinking is very good, Arun. The way you think, okay, anyone can integrate and all, but what kind of new solution I can propose into the organization so that my value will increase, correct?
Yeah, no,
So
actually,
those
I'm working in the ground level actually. Like setting up the environment, like from the basic, I start from the scratch. Like in the DevOps itself, I'm even migrations, everything. So even I'll take it in the smooth manner. I never like hurry burry. I won't do it. It should be. That's why till now many organizations I did it actually. So it's never failure. It must be there, but I used to manage the things in the when you're doing the proof of
POC
concept.
and POC,
So
proof
I
of
try to do.
concept.
Yeah.
Good. See, that is the main. See, whenever you are going to work in TBM or infrastructure, you must, first thing, you must have the patience, because so many times you are going to install the same thing.
Yes,
That
correct.
is what I'm telling you, my experience working in cloud. Last almost, I'm working cloud 2009. Since 2009, when AWS have very few services, okay, in 2009. So so many times I know the process, this is the correct, so many times I did in the same way, but I'm getting the failure right now. And sometimes you are not able to identify that particular problem, why it is not happening. For that reason, my suggestion is leave for half an hour, leave it, go for tea, and then come back.
Yeah, that is happens to me also. That's what you said is correct. Sometimes 2 days, 3 days, I used to hang my head for the one issue. Things doesn't work. After slowly, if you start working, it
Yeah, so
works.
those stuff, if you will try, then you will get, very good idea. Sometimes, I was, one day I was driving a car, and then I was thinking I was driving. And last 1 week, the client was, hectic and all. We are not able to give the solution. I thought while driving the car and went to office, and then, okay, I just say, there is one, one of senior manager in my organization. I said, okay, can we try in this way? He told me, let's try, but I don't have courage to face the client. And I don't know, just we tried and it got successful. I got the mail from appreciation mail from MD. MD of I never thought that okay, MD is going to mail me, because so many VPs are there in line, correct? In any organization. And so those kind of so sometimes you need to give your, see, we are not a machine. A machine will also not give you the 100% efficiency, correct, Avilas? According to physics, ideal engine is possible, no, right? And don't think that today if you went to interview and you suppose the so many times what happened, the answer, but in front of interviewer you are not able to express that, or you are not able to recall that. It doesn't mean that you don't have that kind of clever and all. Don't think that okay, this is not the only organization. There are so many organizations are there. I will get the job from different organization. If your attitude is like that, and after every failure, this is my suggestion to you, start working at least 10% more than that what you did yesterday. Minimum 10%. I'm not telling you double and triple. Only increase your pace little bit, 10%. Then you will be successful. See, my experience is what, 15 years. How many people are reached at this level as a VP in one of the prestigious organization? Very less people, correct? Why? Because there are some, if you are from a premium institutions, IIT or NIT and all, if you are from, then you will easily achieve. There are so many jobs are there. Okay, Vilas, especially right now, if you want to switch, the market is excellent. If you will try what I did, almost 205 interview questions, all the labs, if you'll mention all the agile terminology and all this stuff, you will get very good job in the market. Only thing is what, just whatever labs, more than 100 plus lab we did, right? 56 here only, and in age at 900 and age at 104, you can see in the market how many people know all these labs. They did and they forget. Why I used to say you guys, okay, please prepare the document, please prepare the document. At least here you are doing, in the home once again you are going to do, okay. And if you will view all the document, it will be recall, and in front of interviewer you will just say step by step, after this, after this, after this. Then they will understand this guy have the practical knowledge. That's the reason he is able to recall the screen also. Getting my point? This is the only way to express yourself in front of interviewer, that I have a practical knowledge of using the Azure DevOps or cloud. Okay. And whatever, I will send you the document, those Azure DevOps document. Okay.
And one more thing, I want one more thing. I have now the resume preparation will be a 2-3 pages only. I heard like no need to like 1 or 2 pages is enough. They said, I heard through one of my friend. He's in
resume.
Resume preparation and all. So where no need to mention. Is it true, or in the current market trend?
2 pages are more than enough. 2 pages. Don't give 6-7 pages. Resume. Max to max 3 pages. That's all.
Okay.
And if you want, one day I will tomorrow. Avilas. You will also tomorrow show me your resume. Arun, you will also show me your resume. I will see what are the things you guys have added.
Mine is almost what is it? I think 5 to 6 pages are there.
Can you show me right now? Can you show me right now?
Yeah, it's very huge.
Avilas, you also tomorrow show me. And this is the right time to switch your job, guys.
See, this is I think almost 9 pages are there.
So Arun, what is your
9.
current role?
Actually, I'm into DevOps. Actually, DevOps. I'm taking care of WebLogic, all everything.
Okay.
Full all this Jenkins, all everything is. I actually I want into the same technology. I just keep on exploring.
Different types of cloud, right?
Yeah.
Cloud.
So
And
that's
let's
how I.
see, you have very good knowledge. You already cleared the AWS AWS cloud and all. Now you are going to clear the Azure cloud, then cloud certifications. Then you can mention in the resume that I have a multiple cloud provider experience with these certifications and all. So that will give you more weightage. If someone is getting, just simple example, someone is getting 30 lakhs package or 40 lakhs in India. So 30 lakhs, you will get 40 lakhs. Okay, that is multiple clouds are what, but it's also depends upon your last package. Don't think you have a 10 lakhs and you will get 40 lakhs. No, you will do all the certifications also. It will help you, but package wise not. And you are in Dubai, you must be getting very good handsome salary. Okay, so Arun, just send me your resume also in this Saturday Sunday. And tomorrow, please reduce your resume. All of you try to reduce in 3 pages.
That last I'll send it, Rohit, because now I will prepare this questions labs and all is there, so I'll finish that. I need a time that one because I'm not concentrating on. I'm not concentrating on resume. Just asked the thing because you must be knowing.
Let me.
You just share your email ID. I think I have the email ID.
My email ID you are sending, right?
Yeah. That email ID and mobile number. Just reply in that email ID.
Mobile number, no, Bitu is there.
Okay.
Anything you can connect with me. Don't worry. If after the completion of syllabus also, we are supporting lifetime. If you will face any issues and all, okay. So you directly contact me and just ask Bitu to schedule one more class, or directly you can send into the my mail ID is with you, right? Arun and Avilas, correct? So send me. I'm facing these issues. If you can you please provide me the solution? Like in the mail, I will reply back to you. Saturday, Sunday, sure I will reply. Because in Saturday, Sunday, I used to reply almost 50, 60, 100 mails sometimes. Okay, that's the reason, Saturday, Sunday, 4 to 8, I'm fully back in the evening. Maybe sometimes I'm not well or some issues will, then only I am able to, not able to send any kind of document and prepare. Okay, so what I'm thinking, Avilas and Arun, tomorrow, I'm just going to give you the break. Please prepare all the document. And Friday, we will, take the class. Fine. And meanwhile, I will send you this document also, Azure DevOps, yesterday.
Okay.
Correct? So that Arun, you will get that. Then you must not have any kind of excuse, right? Okay, I'm not getting time, right? Because you can utilize this time.
No, yesterday I was very tired. The thing is.
No. I'm not telling you for yesterday. I can understand with your voice itself yesterday. Okay, so don't.
Today also I'm very tired. I asked Bitu message before starting whether today's class is there or not, because I want to take.
Okay. Tomorrow I will. Tomorrow I'm just giving you a break, both of you, and Avilas, I will send you the Arun interview questions also.
Yep.
And lab also. Both you can prepare tomorrow. Just take the time.
Yep.
Okay.
Sure. Yep.
Okay, Arun. Take the rest. We will meet on not tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Friday.
Sure.
Please, my request, once again, I am repeating you. My request is, please prepare your assignments.
Yes.
Okay.
Sure. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks.
Please enroll our general membership for $399 plan to get access of all the parts.
Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the $399 plan and grow your skills immensely. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.